Yo, what's going on, guys? Tempo Trades here. I know it's been a minute, but we're coming at you with another video. So in today's video, I'm kind of just going to talk about where I've been, what I've been up to, and how my month's been going so far. So we pulled about 10 to 12,000 this month from Apex. And if I pull up right here, this is kind of what my funded accounts are looking like. These accounts right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these are locked up payouts because you see they have the 10 minimum days and they're all over the threshold. So for the 15th through 20th payout window, these will be paid out by the 1st. And then these accounts, these 4 accounts right here are kind of new, just kind of still building them. I mean, they're almost halfway there to pay out, but that's where those are at. And then this is the big account, the 250K account. Apex is running the sale. It came out yesterday, I believe. So I decided to try to get a couple. I only passed one, and I had a good day on that today. So over $10,000 of profit from these accounts so far. And, you know, it was just a great month. It was a really, really great month. And the last 3 videos I posted, I talked about how I typically trade ICT with a little bit of the strat. And ever since those 3 videos got posted, I kind of tweaked my model a little bit. It's a lot more ICT, not as much strat. And I am doing inverted fair value gaps, where I will bring up now the second photo. And this was my play from today, right? Now, I'm going to name some like terms, and I'm going to briefly touch up on them. I'm not going to go into full detail. If you look up any of these terms on YouTube, there's tons of educational material out there on them. And then maybe I'll even make them in the future for how I see them. But for now, I'm just going to lightly brush over it, so bear with me, right? So for this trade right here, I took this trade on the NASDAQ, even though I have the NASDAQ and the S&P up. So you see right here, these dashed lines are called, this is SMT, right? Because if you see very closely here, this ES candle wicked and broke both of these lows. But at the same exact time on NQ, like this and this are the same time, NQ did not break those same 2 lows that ES did, right? And then we shot back up, and this box right here is a 1-minute fair value gap, okay? So really the play is SMT at the lows, ES broke the lows, NQ did not, so NQ is stronger of the pair. Then the bearish fair value gap formed on the way down. You wait till you get a 1-minute candle close above the fair value gap, which would be right here. So the entry would be right here. And then you set the stop loss. Ideally, the stop loss should be a close below the inverted fair value gap. And then you have 2 targets, right? The first target right here is about 14, 15 points. It's just an I think it's called an intermediate term high. It's just a really obvious high. If we're not going to go all the way and break this, we should at least break this. And you even see, like, after we broke it, we kind of chopped in this range a little bit for like 10 minutes. So first TP was at 15 points or so, and then we held the rest to this high, which is data highs, right? Anytime you have red folder news at 8:30, you're going to get a crazy wick candle like this, and price is going to gravitate towards that liquidity. So that was my final target. Unfortunately, it ended up going like 25 points higher, but it is what it is. We hit our target for the day. This was just a one and done trade, did not take any other trades. And this was a perfect setup. And this is kind of like what my current strategy looks like right now. I've been trading the best I've ever traded. And it's just a lot less strat, man. It's a lot more just finding the draws on liquidity. Where does the market want to go? Trying to find SMT between ES and NQ, kind of give you a hint to where the market wants to go. Enter on an inverted fair value gap and just get good risk to reward. And that's kind of what I've been doing right now, man. So because of that, like I said, we will be rewarded with over $10,000 in payouts this month. So that's pretty much it. Just want to keep it short and sweet. Leave in the comments below. Maybe I'll make a video, make more trade examples. Maybe I'll go over SMT, go over inverted fair value gaps, how I see them. But it's just been working for me, man. I'm really loving this model. I'm going to keep running it. Maybe I'll throw in some YouTube live streams, some TikTok live streams, throw out some content here and there. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Leave a comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.